Hello friends, so I'm back with another video on assignment abroad times today newspaper, and I'm going to cover more than 55 plus job posting which were published in yesterday's newspaper, and there are many free recruitments as well. So please don't skip, watch complete video so that you should not miss any opportunity. And friends, if you're new on this channel, then please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon because you will get daily job alerts. So friends, this posting is for Saudi. Client interviews will be in Mumbai on 14th of October, and the positions are building electricians, shuttering carpenters, block and plaster mason, gypsum carpenters finishing, ductman, construction laborers, plumbers, steel fixers, RCC, tile mason, wall painter, and pipe fitter. So friends, these vacancies are in large number. Another positions are building electrician supervisor, shuttering carpenter supervisor, gypsum carpenter supervisor, plumbing, steel fixer, and mason supervisors. So these all are supervisory positions, and there are some operator level positions as well. So the positions are backhoe excavator operator, wheel loader, grader, and JCB operator. So many subscribers were searching for most of the jobs which are included in this posting, so please check and apply immediately. So candidate must have 3 to 5 years of experience in construction projects, and the email ID for this posting is jobs.newalpha@gmail.com. You can see the mobile numbers as well. So friends, if you have any queries, you can contact them directly and get your queries resolved. Next is for Saudi again. Client interviews will be on 18th of October in Mumbai, and the positions are general mason, shuttering carpenter, steel fixer, shuttering carpenter charge hand, mason charge hand, civil charge hand, rigger, labor, storekeeper, clerk, timekeeper, timekeeper assistant, electrician, AC technician, plumber, structural welder 3G 4G, logistic charge hand. So friends, email ID for this posting is jobs@ambecs.com. Next posting is for Saudi. It's a short-term project of 6 months, and it's a completely free recruitment. Shortlisting in progress. Face-to-face client interview will be on 16th October in Mumbai, 17 and 18 October in Delhi. 3 to 5 years of relevant experience is required. The positions are hydrojetters and helpers. So friends, you can see the contact details and address for Mumbai and Chennai office. Next is for Qatar. It's a free recruitment. Client interviews will be 15 to 29th of October in Mumbai and Baroda. So 15th October in Mumbai and 29th October in Baroda. Candidates with 3 years of experience in oil and gas in Gulf are preferred. Free food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. And you can see all the positions are related to welders only: TIG and arc welders CS, SS, TIG welder CS, TIG welder SS, and structural welder. So the email ID for this posting is yorkmumbai@gmail.com and surya@yorkrecruitment.com. So friends, if you want to apply for any of this position, you can send your updated CV along with all supportive documents on given email ID. Next is for Qatar, and final client interviews will be on 18th and 19th of October. Attractive salary, food allowance, free accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. The positions are chef de partie 40 openings, cooks 100 openings, waiters 40 openings, heavy driver 20 openings, Qatari license bus or medium license is required. All above categories minimum 2 years of experience in similar field, young and energetic. So friends, you can see the contact details, mobile numbers, landline numbers and email ID. Next is for the mom, non-Muslim, non from UP and Bihar ECR accepted with extra charges. Okay, so friends, you can get clarity on all these things, whatever they have mentioned in the posting before you apply. So the positions are mobile crane operator, denter, auto electrician, hydraulic mechanic. You can see the number of openings and salary for all the positions. Salesman come driver for marketing. For the mom, there are some other positions as well. Mini truck driver, 10 openings. Residency hotels at the mom, indoor cleaning labors, and marble cutter, come wash basin and kitchen platform dining table makers. For Riyadh, there are some positions like all-rounder petrol mechanics, car driver come cleaning labor, auto electrician and auto denters. For a taxi company in Riyadh, taxi drivers are required, 100 openings for taxi drivers, and it's a per day salary they have mentioned 230 Saudi Riyal daily. And there is some opening for house cook, 5 openings, salary will be negotiable. All-rounder AC technician, freshers, 20 openings. All-rounder AC technician, Saudi return, 10 openings. ECR accepted with extra charges. Furniture carpenter, delivery driver, compressor service technician. So friends, they have mentioned charges somewhere, so please get clarity on that before you apply. Next is for UAE. The positions are steel structure fabricator, MIG welder, CO2 welder, and there are some positions for Bahrain as well. Ticketing clerk for Bahrain, and for Saudi, furniture carpenter, furniture polisher and purchase manager. So friends, you can see in this posting there are positions for UAE, Bahrain and Saudi. These are the contact details. Next is for Saudi again. Client interviews will be in Mangalore and Mumbai. Salesman come driver, salary plus commission. Indian and Gulf experience both are accepted. Indian license heavy is must. Saudi license, any Saudi license would be considered. So client interviews on Monday 14th October in Mangalore and 15th October in Mumbai. You can see the address for both the locations. So below are the contact details and email ID. Sorry, email ID they have not mentioned. Yeah, email ID is there. Resume Gulf amp@gmail.com is the email ID. Next is for Saudi, for a logistic division. The openings are terminal and flat stores manager, complex warehouse manager, fleet and transportation manager, in-house transportation officer, spare parts and scrap warehouse storekeeper, electric truck mechanic, AC and computer, scale operator supervisor, complex warehouse manager, flat warehouse storekeeper, heavy auto electrician. For O&M company, technicians ITI or diploma, and the positions are irrigation HVAC, BMS, chiller, electronic, senior electromechanical systems, telecom, generator operator, generator, high, medium and low voltage, plumber, kitchen equipment, swimming pool, maintenance, coordinator, aluminum fabricator, building electrician, and compressor mechanic technicians. So these all are technicians position, and the qualification required is ITI or diploma. For UPVC pipe factory, the positions are factory electrician, mixing machine operator, production supervisor, heavy diesel mechanic. For Qatar, glue mixer, tuber machine operator, and ARC welder. So friends, email ID for this posting is contact us at fastnaukri.com. Friends, I would urge you, whenever you need to submit a passport at any consultant office, please make sure you have verified and cross-checked everything. You have clear idea on your perks, benefits, salary, overtime. Then only submit your passport. Don't hurry to submit passport. So you have to be careful all the time. Anyways, all the postings which are included in today's video, in which are published in assignment paper, are genuine consultant. They all have their registered license number, so there are less chances of any fraud, but you have to be careful all the time. This is for Jubail, Saudi. Interviews will be online. The positions are mobile crane operators, Saudi Aramco valid or expired certification, auto denter, experience in removal of dent using specialized tools, assistant electrician, experience in installation, maintaining electrical equipments and machineries, sheet metal machine operator, experience in to drive and extract sheet piles for construction, shore machine operator, operate and maintain shoring machine for excavation, crane inspection, experience in turf inspections, testing, maintenance of cranes and hoisting equipments, draftman civil for commercial projects, auto electrician for heavy vehicle and equipment, mechanics for heavy vehicle and equipments. So free food and accommodation will be provided by company, and for all the categories minimum 3 to 5 years of experience is must. So friends, you can see the email ID for this posting is hr.mehraj01@gmail.com. You can see the mobile number as well. Friends, if needed, you can take a screenshot of all the position in which you are interested, so that you can have the contact details handy. Next is for UAE. It's an offshore 90 days work and 30 days paid leave, 90-30. The positions are workshop senior technician, technicians, mechanical maintenance, fitting and fabrication, electrical and DHSV workshop, each 5 positions, supervisor, civil maintenance and piping fabrication, each 5 positions, Abu Dhabi municipality approved mechanical and electrical engineers, each 5 no's, ADNOC approved civil project manager and QAQC civil, 5 positions. Salary varies from 82,000 to 25,000 according to categories, with free food and accommodation. Offshore preferable. Interview soon. You can send your documents on the below email ID. You can see there are 3 email IDs provided and 3 mobile and WhatsApp numbers are there. So friends, you can ping them on WhatsApp, you can send your documents on WhatsApp, and you can call them as well. For separate side, always send email as well while you are applying on WhatsApp. Next is for Saudi. Client interviews will be on 19th of October. The positions are QA/QC manager electrical, QC supervisor electrical, QC electrical, QC coating, safety supervisor, rigger 3, and coating applicator. For all these positions, Aramco approved only candidates can apply. There are some other positions as well. CP engineer or technicians, NEC certified, janitor supervisor, document controller, experience in MS Office and ERP, car mechanic, electrical supervisor, overhead and power distribution lines, cable splicers, storekeeper, heavy equipment electrician, backhoe loader operator, heavy equipment mechanic, auto denter, painter, and wireman for panel board. So the contact details are given below for your reference. Next is for Saudi. This is for L&D project. Interviews will be on 17th of October in Ajmer, 17th October in Motihari, and 19th October in Beti. I could not recognize the name. You can read it carefully. The positions are mechanical technician 50 openings, mechanical fitter 50 openings, helper mechanical 50, electrical technician 30, electrician 50, helper electrical 50, helper civil 50, carpenter 25, and scaffolder erector 25. So you can see there are bulk number of openings. Salary range is given for all the positions. Apart from this, accommodation, transportation, medical and ticket will be provided by company. 8 hours duty, free food will be provided. So you can see the contact details. The email ID is hr@nayajobs.com and the WhatsApp number is also mentioned. So friends, please don't skip, watch complete video. There are many exciting opportunities going ahead. So this is for Saudi. Shortlisting in progress, Gulf experience required. The positions are plumber, air conditioning technician, generator technician, car mechanic, auto electrician, heavy truck driver. So this posting is by Asia Power. Next is for Kuwait. Client interviews will be on 16th of October at Vadodara. Freshers can apply, attractive salary. So this can be a good opportunity for freshers, those who don't have experience. So the positions are production manager or assistant, planning, switchgear and QC. BE electrical or mechanical qualification is required. Manager, LV, BE electrical, production engineer, QC, switchgear, maintenance, fabrication, BE or BTech in electrical or mechanical engineering. Electroplater, diploma in mechanical engineering or ITI CNC course. Foreman, production storekeeper, painter, CNC programmer, CNC machine operator, core cutting machine, maintenance technician, foreman, painter, CNC plant operator, assembly fitter, fitter fabrication, welder 3G, MIG and arc, power distribution welder, storekeeper, heavy duty driver, Indian with Indian license also can apply, industrial electrician, core coil assembler. So friends, you can see there are many postings, almost all the positions you can apply with ITI qualification. So those who have completed their ITIs can go for this. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Candidates must have minimum 5 to 8 years of experience. So the email ID for this posting is smgulfjob24@gmail.com. Next is for Kuwait, Saudi. Vacancies are in large number. It's a long-term project. The positions are below. Interviews will be on 13th, 14th and 15th of October in Chennai, 19th and 20th of October in Mumbai, 22nd October in Bangalore. The positions are mobile phone tower erector, mobile phone tower erection helpers, laborers, AutoCAD draftsmen, shuttering carpenters, tower supervisors, tower technicians, heavy driver and light driver. Interested candidate can please send their updated resume, experience and educational certificate, passport, Aadhaar copy and photos. You can see the WhatsApp numbers and the email ID for this posting is team2 agpindia.com. Friends, you can share this video with your friends, those who want to go to Gulf for a job. This is for Abu Dhabi. Client interviews on 23rd of October in Mumbai. The positions are plumber, electrician, pipe fitter, ductman, AC technician, 5G welder, MEP helper. You can see the positions are in bulk, like plumber 300 openings, electrician 350, and MEP helper 350 openings. Free food, 8 hours duty, and OT will also applicable. You can see the salary ranges for all the positions. The email ID for this posting is disha.arco@gmail.com. Next is for Qatar. Client interviews on 17th of October in Mumbai. The positions are VRF AC technicians, AC installation technician, duct technicians, drivers, loading and unloading helpers. For this position, age below 30 years. For drivers, Qatar manual license is required. So candidates should have 5 to 7 years of Gulf experience in relevant field, age below 40 years. The email ID for this posting is qatarjobs@fggivala.com. You can see the WhatsApp numbers. Next posting is for Saudi. Final walk-in client interviews will be on 20th of October in Mumbai. The positions are engineers, so there are multiple engineers required. The engineers like electrical supervising, power plant supervising, mechanical, HVAC engineer, BMS, chiller, electrical, escalator and elevator, medium voltage, low voltage, low current, material and electronics. These all engineers are required. Supervisors and foremen in chiller, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, civil, low voltage, medium voltage, maintenance, HSE and elevator. Technicians, there are multiple technicians required, like HVAC technician, chiller, irrigation plumber, civil, medium voltage, low voltage, MNH voltage, electronics, electrical, BMS, instrument, boiler, photocopy, power plant, mechanical, machine, pumps, scaffolder, auto control panel, electronics, sound, landscaping, kerosene stove, waste water treatment plant, IT technician, lift technician and UPS. Others, pump operator, mason, tile, plaster, all-rounder, tailor, need tent experience, firefighting, MEP operator, organ welder, lift operator, furniture carpenter, laundry operator and wall painter. So degree, diploma, ITI in respective field with 7 years of work experience in the given positions, especially in the operation and maintenance of airports, high-rise buildings and hospital projects. So friends, the email ID for this posting is saudijobs@fggivala.com, and you can see multiple WhatsApp numbers are also given. And so friends, this posting was for Saudi. Interviews will be on 20th October, and there are some other positions as well for Oman, and this is free recruitment. Client interviews will be in Mumbai on 14, 15 and 16th of October. The positions are housekeeping boy, office boy, pantry boy and cleaner. Candidate should have 1 to 2 years of work experience in relevant position, age between 22 to 35 years. The email ID for this position is oman@fggivala.com. You can see the WhatsApp numbers as well. So friends, this posting is for Oman and it's a free recruitment. Interviews will be on 14, 15 and 16th of October. Next is for L&T, Saudi. Client interviews will be on 14th October, and the positions are structural fitter, mechanical technician, electrical technician, electrician, FO cable splicer, scaffolder, erector, shuttering carpenter, foreman, mechanical, electrical and civil, helper also mechanical, electrical, civil and general, pipe fitter, 33 kV assistant jointer, 33 kV jointers, plumber, land surveyor, mason, steel fixer, scaffolder inspector. Food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. And the email ID for this position is cv.flywellmanpower@gmail.com. So friends, you can take a screenshot if needed, as I told earlier, for contact details. Next is for Qatar, client interview shortly, and this is an urgent requirement for a reputed oil and gas company. The positions are foreman, painting, scaffolding foreman, sandblaster, fabricator tank, charge hand welding, industrial airless painter, industrial roller painter, TIG and arc welder, 6G, CS, SS, fitter tank, rigger level 2, fire fitter, pipe fabricator, tank charge hand, tank foreman, and scaffolding supervisor. So email ID for this posting is cv.dishaintl@gmail.com. Friends, if you're feeling that the video is informative, then please hit the like button and also comment in the comment section and share your feedback about the video, and you can ask if you have any queries as well, and you will get the link for my WhatsApp group in the description box, so you can join that. Next is for Kuwait. Client interview will be on 15th of October in Mumbai. The positions are supervisor, welding and fabrication, general fitter, shop fitter, bench fitter, TIG and arc welder CS, mechanical engineer, planning engineer, supervisor mechanical and mechanical maintenance, fabricator pipe, machinist, rigger, pipe fitter, hydrojetter. So friends, you can see the salary is clearly mentioned for all the positions. 8 hours duty, free food, accommodation will be provided by company. OT will also applicable, and you can apply by sending your CV on hrglobal305@gmail.com. Friends, whenever you apply for any positions, you need to mention the job title in subject line and make sure that you have attached all necessary documents. Next is for Saudi. Client interviews will be on 14th of October. The positions are maintenance supervisor, electronics technician, medium voltage network, control system operator, control door technician, fire alarm technician, hydraulic barriers technicians, mechanical technicians, electrical power station technician, agriculture supervisor, instrumentation technicians, mechanic, audio video technicians, BMS technicians, network technicians, mason and carpenter. All candidates should have minimum 4 years of experience in maintenance work. Email ID for this posting is hr1leoent@gmail.com. This is for Riyadh, for a leading logistic and transport company. The interviews with final with delegates on 12th, 13th and 14th of October. The positions are trailer drivers, heavy drivers for water tank, forklift operator. Bolan Steel Riyadh, the positions are BMS shift in charge, SMS melter, first hand, CCM electrician, welders, SBO, crane operator, CCM fitter. For Riyadh, some other company, the positions are ladle crane operator, first hand, electrical CCM, then mason, ladle mason, heavy duty diesel mechanic. So friends, email ID for this posting is bawask2015@gmail.com. You can see the contact numbers as well. Next is for Abu Dhabi. Client interviews will be on 21st of October in Mumbai. The positions are welder 6G, GTAW, SMAW, CS, SS, DSS, Enconel, dolly mix welder, pipe fitter, fabricator, rigger, banksman, spray painter, insulator, industrial electrician, instrument tube fitter, driver, scaffolder, grinder, CP technician, fitter cable tray, driver, light vehicle, bus, heavy with valid UA license. So free food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. Age up to 42 years. Running card must for welders. Candidates with minimum 3 to 5 years of Gulf experience would be preferred. Report immediately with your CV, certificates and original passport and photo too. So friends, if you are from nearby locations or from Mumbai, you can walk in or you can send your CV on the given email ID, and you can see the multiple contact numbers are also mentioned in the posting. Next is for Saudi. This is for a reputed medical center. Interview with foreign delegates on 16th of October. You can see the contact details for venue, and email IDs are also mentioned. The position is industrial male nurse. BSc nursing is required. Email ID is cv14@hrinternational.in and cv15@hrinternational.in. Minimum 3 years and above experience. All other certification is must for being a nurse. It's a must to have prometric. Applicants with date applied for prometric exam must to have, they have given some certifications. So if you have experience in all this, you can definitely apply for this position. Above are the contact details for your reference. This is for a reputed medical center in Saudi Arabia. This opening is for Iraq. Client interviews will be in Mumbai on 18th of October. The position is scaffolders. jobs@ambacs.com is the email ID for this position. Next is for Saudi. Shortlisting in progress. Gulf experience is required. The positions are fabrication supervisor, diploma or degree, 5 years experience preferably in Gulf, for structural steel and piping fabrication, proficiency in reading drawings, specification, layout marking and fabrication process like cutting, rolling, bending and weld up, fit up. Standby man or fire watch, 2 years experience in Gulf countries or minimum 5 years industrial work experience. Pipe fabricator, proficiency in reading drawings, specifications, layout making and fabrication process like cutting, rolling, bending and weld fit up. Minimum 3 years experience preferably in Gulf skill. Fabricator required for structural steel and piping fabrication. Work permit receiver, 2 years experience in Gulf countries or minimum 5 years industrial work experience is required. So these are the contact details. This is 6 months maintenance project, so it's a short-term project. Next is for Dubai. Urgent requirement for a reputed electromechanical and contracting company. The positions are planning electrical engineer, pipe fitter, HSA officer or engineer, foreman HV MV electrical rooms, welder TIG MIG arc, instrumentation engineer or fitter, foreman cable pulling, cable tray and cable terminations, senior estimation engineer, QAQC engineer, fitter, fabricator, procurement specialist and general helpers. There are some positions for Qatar as well. So the positions are kitchen equipment technician, furniture carpenter, catering supervisor, laundry supervisor, and handyman. So friends, if you would like to apply for any of these positions, you can apply. The email ID is cv.dishaintl@gmail.com. You can see the mobile number as well. Next is for Saudi L&T. Client interviews will be on 16th of October in Mumbai. The positions are foreman, electrical, mechanical and civil, cable jointer 33 kV, mechanical technician, mechanical fitter, electrical, cable, gliding and termination. So for foreman should have experience in solar panel. Technicians and fitter will be preferred from oil and gas, pipeline and firefighting industry. Gulf return candidates will be highly preferred. There are some positions for operation and maintenance company for Saudi itself. The position are trailer driver, Gulf license is must, electrician ITI or diploma, shuttering carpenter, steel fixer, 3G, 4G welder. So friends, if you want to apply for any of these positions, the email ID is vacancysoundlines1@gmail.com. You can see the mobile number as well. Next is for Oman, for a facility management building maintenance company. Shortlisting in progress. You can apply immediately. For interview schedule, you can contact them. So the positions are electronic technician, AC technician, HVAC technician, chiller technician, pump and irrigation technician, low voltage technician, swimming pool technician, BMS technician, maintenance electrical, VRF technician, plumber, polisher, mason, furniture carpenter, shuttering carpenter and steel fixer. Food, accommodation, transportation, medical will be provided by company. Overtime will also applicable. There are some other positions for Saudi for a oil and gas project. It is 6 to 9 months of shutdown. For 6 to 9 month shutdown project, the positions are work permit receiver, safety officer and fire watcher. There are some long term jobs as well. Ceramax welder, auto electrician and heavy mechanics. So food, accommodation, transportation, medical will be provided by company. Overtime will also applicable. Duty will be of 8 hours per day, 6 days in a week will be work. The email ID for this position is jobs@tehranintl.in. You can see the mobile number for Mumbai and Gorakhpur. Friends, this is the bulk opening for Kuwait. Shortlisting in progress. Vacancies are in large number. Client interviews will be on 16th of October in Baroda, 20th October Mumbai, 27th October in Chennai and 22nd October in Kochi. So the positions are facility coordinator, electrical production engineer, supervisor mechanical, senior mechanical technicians, mechanic, static and rotating, lead system analyst, supervisor instrument rotating equipment technician, instrument technician, supervisor electrical fitter, draftsman, accountant, auto electrician. So friends, you can see there are multiple positions. Better you take a screenshot. I would not be able to read out all the positions. It will increase the length of video. So please take a screenshot. For all categories, the candidate must have at least 5 to 8 years of total experience, including 3 years of Gulf experience in oil and gas maintenance projects. Candidate passport validity must be minimum 3 years, valid up to 4th September 2027. Candidate must be ready to travel immediately after selection. The email ID for all these positions is nilesh@asiapower.co. So friends, if you want to apply for any of these positions, you can apply immediately by sending your documents and updated CV on the mentioned email ID. Friends, please don't skip. Watch complete video. There are many more opportunities remaining. And please hit the like button. Also share this video. For hypermarket, this is hypermarket job for Kuwait. Client interviews will be on 15th of October in Mumbai. The positions are salesman or sales girls, cashier, male, female, both can apply. and cleaners. Vacancies are in large number. Candidates must speak fluent English, and the email ID for this position you can see at the bottom. The contact numbers are also given. Next is for Dubai. Client interviews will be on 17th of October in Mumbai. The positions are HVAC technician, plumber, mason, tiles and ceramic, electrician and ductman. So candidates should have minimum 2 to 3 years of relevant experience in high-rise buildings, villas, malls, hospitals, etc. Girl experience would be preferred, age between 23 to 40 years. The email ID for this posting is sluajobs@gmail.com. You can see the mobile number as well and the address. Next is for Oman. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. ECR, ECNR, both passport will be accepted. Walk-in client interview will be on 16th of October. Candidates must have 7 plus years of installation experience in industrial projects. The positions are industrial electricians, glanding and termination, cable tray fitters, scaffolders, electrical supervisors, electrical foreman. Departure within 20 days, 8 hours duty plus 3 hours daily fixed overtime will be provided. You can see the number of openings are also given. So friends, you will get 3 hours daily OT. It is fixed OT. 2 years contract, attractive salary, face-to-face client interview with complete biodata, supporting documents, original passport and 2 recent photos. Email ID for this position is jobs@talenterio.com. You can see the mobile numbers as well. Next is for Saudi. Client interviews will be on 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th of October for walk-in, and final client interview at Mumbai in this week only. The positions are TIG and arc welders, welding foreman. Attractive salary, food, accommodation, transportation, OT will be provided by company. The email ID for this posting is hr3@asmax.net. You can see the calling and WhatsApp number as well. Next is for Qatar. This is for a leading shipyard company. This is 3 to 6 months of shutdown project and it's a free recruitment. There will be no service charge. And the positions are 6GR, SMAW, FCAW welders. Number of openings are 100. It's a bulk opening. Salary will be between 3,200 to 3,500 Qatari Riyal. Candidates willing to travel with in a week would be highly preferred. Free food accommodation will be provided by company. You can see the contact details below, and the email ID is interview@prernaconsultancy.com for this posting. Next is for Abu Dhabi. It's a long-term job. Vacancies are in large number. Final client interview will be on 14th of October in Mumbai. Candidates should have diploma and English speaking with 4 to 6 years of Gulf experience in oil and gas, petrochemical plants. The positions, you can see most of the positions are HVAC positions like HVAC specialist, engineers, senior technicians, assistant technicians, foremen, supervisors, pickup drivers, pickup and bus drivers, BMS, HMI programmers, specialist, HVAC SAP planners, HVAC control technicians, HVAC electrical technicians. Email ID for this posting is uae@jmmehta.com. Long-term job shortlisting in progress for Qatar, and the position is riggers. 100 riggers are required for Qatar. Candidate must have 4 to 5 years of Gulf experience in oil and gas, petrochemical industry. Qatar@jmmehta.com is the email ID for these positions. So you can see there are positions for Qatar and UAE. Next is for Saudi, long-term visa, welding engineers, BE minimum 8 years of experience. Next is the email ID is aljo@almuzain.com. Senior QAQC engineers, 5 openings. The email ID is qac@almuzain.com. Requirement B, minimum 7 years of experience, AWS or CSWIP or API certification mandatory, shutdown experience mandatory, salary range up to 6,000 Saudi Riyal. QAQC inspectors, 5 openings. qac@almuzain.com is the email ID. The salary range would be 5,000 Saudi Riyal, and for the first position, welding engineers, 7,000 Saudi Riyal. Next is for Qatar. Interviews will be on 20th of October in Mumbai, and Gopalganj 17th October and 21st October in Hyderabad. Positions are HVAC technician, wall painter, plumber, tile mason, multi-skill technician, electrician, MEP technicians, furniture carpenter, mason, electronic technicians, ELV, cleaning and housekeeping supervisor, mechanical technicians. Free food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. You can see multiple mobile numbers, and the email ID is jobsflywellmanpower@yahoo.com. Next is for Oman and UAE. Client interviews will be on 16th of October in Mumbai. The positions are pipe and STR fabricator, pipe and STR fitter, millwright fitter, electrician, carpenter, sandblaster, scaffolder, steel fixer, brush painter, mason, TIG arc welder, grinder, and storekeeper. 8 hours duty plus OT, free food or food allowance, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. Email ID for this posting is Kamruddin MOHD Muhammad 99@gmail.com. Next is for Gulf Asia Qatar. Client interview on 14th and 17th of October. The positions are leadman piping, foreman piping, structural fabricators, pipe fabricators, fitter hydro test, pipe fitters, structural fitters. So friends, you can see the positions for structural fitters are 150, pipe fitters 100. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Candidates should have minimum 5 years experience in Gulf oil and gas. Gulf experience will be preferred. The email ID is chinarhr2@gmail.com. Next is for Oman. It's a free recruitment and there will be no service charge and any cost. It's a short-term contract of 3 months. Interviews will be on 17th of October in Mumbai. The positions are electrical engineers, diploma in electrical engineering, electricians, ITI with minimum 8 years of experience, junior electrician, minimum 3 years of experience. You can see the salary is clearly mentioned. Candidates with experience in electricity distribution or similar companies may apply. Joining ticket, accommodation, food, transportation, medical, etc. will be provided by company. Email ID for this posting is agrawalservices21@gmail.com. Next is for Kuwait for oil and gas group, urgently required. Shortlisting in progress, client interviews immediately. The positions are painting supervisors, instrument supervisors, instrument engineers, mechanical helpers, safety supervisors. Vacancies are in large number. OT, free food or food allowance will be provided by company. Below are the contact details. Email ID is recruit@medahr.com. Next is for UAE and Saudi. Client interviews will be on 16th of October. The positions are crane operators, forklift operators, helper, driver, light and bus, heavy operators, electricians and assistant electricians, mechanics, JNR service coordinators, riggers, chiller technicians, generator, assistant mechanic and electricians, mobile or mechanical crane operator. The email ID for this posting is alpha alfarisjobsuae@gmail.com. Free food, free accommodation will be provided by company, and overtime will also applicable. Next posting is for Qatar. Shortlisting in progress. Online client interviews will be on 14th of October. The positions are mechanical technician, MEP, painter, AC technician. Candidates should have completed their ITI, at least 4 years of work experience required. Gulf experience would be preferred. Should have maintenance MEP experience. And to apply for these positions, the email ID is kiran@asiapower.co. Next is for Kuwait, for a leading switchgear company. Interviews will be on 20th of October in Mumbai. The positions are electrician, industrial wiring, welder, MIG and arc, CNC machine operator, programmer, spray painter, assembly fitter, fabrication, maintenance technician, mechanical foreman, machine operator, distribution vendor, production storekeeper, heavy driver, production engineer or manager, switchgear or transformer. Age below 40 years. All candidates should have minimum 5 plus years of experience in the same field with ITI. Attractive salary, food, accommodation will be provided by company. It is going to be 2 years contract, 8 hours duty plus OT. You can see the email ID and contact details for this posting. Next is for NBTC UA. Client interviews will be on 15th of October. The positions are foreman, civil, piping, welding, structure, scaffolding, supervisor, piping, civil, rigging, QAQC inspector, civil, electrical clerk, coordinator, logistics, welding and material, HSC engineer, QAQC engineer, TIG, ARC, CSSS welder, rigger, firewatch, mechanical helper, pipe fabricator, pipe fitter, assistant rigger, fitter and welder. ADNOC project, attractive salary and immediate departure. Food, accommodation, transportation, OT will be provided by company. This is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Saudi. Estimation engineer, number of openings are 4. Qualification, mechanical engineering, minimum 2 to 3 years of experience, and preparing proposal for industrial maintenance, turnaround, mechanical and fabrication work. It's a long-term project. Company will provide free food, accommodation and flight tickets. So you can apply immediately. Below are the contact details for your reference. Next is for Middle East. Shortlisting is in progress on 14, 15 and 16th October. This is for a large oil and gas project. The positions are structural fabricators or fitters, lifting supervisors, lifting appointed person, tower crane supervisors, concrete ready mix pump operator and lighting technicians. Required for design panel for a big international contracting company for Vadodara and Kuwait area projects. The positions are electrical engineer, design or lead, mechanical engineer, design lead, instrument control engineer, design and lead, civil engineer. All above must be engineering degree holder plus minimum 8 to 10 years of experience in large oil and gas projects, preferably will be with L&T, Siemens, etc. And to apply for this position, the email ID is recruit@iosr.com. Next is for Saudi, for a leading maintenance company. So friends, you can see there are bulk openings for this company. Better you can take a screenshot because I would not be able to read out all the positions since it's a bulk openings. Client interview shortly. Must have 5 to 10 years of experience. Gulf experience would be preferred. You can see the contact details below. Email ID is rktscv@gmail.com. So friends, you can see here all category jobs are available in this posting, like receptionist, security officer, generator operators, television technicians, CCTV technicians, senior kitchen equipment, fire alarm, QAQC, mechanical, safety, HVAC, electrical, pest control, landscaping. All category jobs you will get in this posting. So please take a screenshot and you can review the positions later. Next is for Saudi. Client interviews will be on 14th of October in Mumbai. The positions are waiter, runner, host, barista, day, chef de party. Attractive salary, free food, accommodation will be provided by company. The email ID for this posting is abroadvacancy 330@gmail.com. You can see multiple mobile numbers as well. Next is for Saudi. Attractive salary packages. The positions are all-rounder mason, all-rounder welder, shuttering carpenter, creative interior designer, fit-out supervisor, ammonia refrigeration technicians, instrumentation technicians for food plant, admin secretary, pipe fabricator, safety officer, steel fixer, and site architect. So the email ID for this posting is info@nimatconsultancy.com. You can see the mobile numbers. So friends, if you have any queries in any of the posting, you can please comment. I would definitely reply to all your comments as I'm replying. And if you wish to join my WhatsApp group, you will get the link in the description of video. You can join from there and you can comment me there like whatever queries you have. This is for Saudi. Selection mode will be CV selection. The position is coordinator training specialist. Salary would be 4 to 5,000 Saudi Riyal. Business development executive 3,000 to 6,000. Minimum 1 to 3 years of experience in corporate sales, direct sales or B2B field sales. Electrical engineer salary will be negotiable. Heavy equipment, mechanical, hydraulic, electrical foreman, boom truck operator. Accommodation, transportation will be provided by company, and below are the contact details for your reference. Next is for Saudi. It's a free recruitment. The positions are commis first, third and second. Laundry workers, barista, service crew, stewards, free food, free accommodation, attractive salary. Age limit below 40 years. All the candidate must be fluent in English, speak, read and write, minimum 5 years of experience in the same field. So the shortlisted candidate will be interviewed via video link. So friends, first you need to send your application. You need to apply. If your CV gets shortlisted, they will arrange your video interview with the clients. This is for Saudi. Client interviews will be on 14th of October in Delhi and 21st October in Mumbai. So engineers required: senior escalator and elevator, senior mechanic, electrical engineer, low current, electronics, safety, electronics, mechanical, HVAC, electrical maintenance, IT support, ERP, mechanical, medium volt, FMD experience, BMS, material, chiller, quality. So these all electricians required. Supervisors, workshop, senior land surveyor, HSC, elevator, civil, agricultural, pump, plumbing, water treatment, planner, electronic, chiller, gas station and manholes. Operators level positions are operators, chiller, service hub, elevator, fuel station, pump, MNH, power plant, MEP, HVAC, pipe fitter and quality inspector. There are some foreman positions as well. Foreman, electrical, pump, auto mechanic, plumbing, chiller, pipe fitter, mechanical. Technicians positions you can see: SCADA, electrical, BMS, CCTV, fire alarm, boiler, stove, kerosene, photocopy, HVAC, pump, booking, bookbinding, firefighting, WTP, chiller, safety, auto mechanic and pipe fitter. Craftsman, blacksmith technician, master plumber, furniture, carpenter, mason, tile mason, welder, scaffolder, hydraulic mechanic and plaster mason. Minimum 5 years experience in facility maintenance. Gulf experience is preferred. Able to communicate in English or Arabic. Must have degree, diploma, ITI, high school. Food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. These are the contact details for your reference. So friends, this was the last posting of this video. I hope the video was informative for you. Friends, please like, share and subscribe this video, and if you are new on this video, then please subscribe and turn on your notification, because I'm posting latest Gulf jobs on a daily basis, and I always try to include more and more free recruitments, and I used to prepare the videos on full free recruitments as well. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.